tree up. I don't know why the heck it's 2020, you know what I'm saying? Christmas is over. I wish it wasn't. I love that time of year, but you can always watch a Christmas movie. In the summertime, it don't make no difference, but that's besides the point. But what we gotta do first is take out the pooch so she can relieve herself. Cause you know, when you got to go, you got to go. And she's probably mad at me right now because she probably really want to go outside and kick it for a little bit. But we are not gonna be going on a nature extravaganza today. We're not. Hope she hears me. Creeper. All right, so first things first, we gotta go into this little bitty itty bitty yellow polka dot bikini shed, get the tree bag out, take the tree bag in, put the tree in the bag, and then the hats and the cats in the bag, and then yeah. Oh shit, the camera don't flip. That's tough. But anyway, let's go take a peek. All right, look how much space we got in here. You take a step in. Ah ha ha. Oh no no. And then you see the bike in this bad boy. And then, hold up, first of all, we gotta bump up that ISO, you feel me? But you see, it looks quite old and decrepit in here, you know what I'm talking about? We got the bike in here, we got the bag right there. I'm not sure where in the earth of the world I'm gonna put this bike once the bag is full, because it's gonna be taking up too much room, you feel me? But, ugh, who cares about exercise anyway? Anybody need a bike? It's only going for like $5,000 on eBay. Let me grab this real quick. All right, now that we got the bag in, we're going to get the tree. I'm gonna show you beforehand because I do realize that I didn't show anybody on the channel, and I am so sorry about that. But let's get straight to it. All right, so you're probably wondering why the heck am I slouched down like this? Because my tripod is miniature and it makes me look like the Great Khali out in this bad boy. But that's besides the point. So right now, as you can see, we have the tree. But I'm not only gonna put a picture, I'm gonna light it up real quick, show you guys. So without further ado, there we go, baby. But anyway, as you can see, nothing too spectacular. Nothing too spectacular. Something slight, something slight. Hold on, let me lower this down a little bit. Whoa. Whoa. Too low. You know what I'm saying? We got it looking quite nice in here, you feel me? Do you feel me? Go low. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor. Hey. Oh, snap. I keep almost falling. And if it's louder here, oh, well, I'm too thick. I'm gonna broke the couch. But if it's louder here, my bad. It was hot than a mud. The heat was on, and your boy was feeling quite steamy. So I had to go ahead. I look like Wizard Kelly, y'all. It all started with a basketball. But you know, the tree look cool. It look cool. It look cute, or whatever. But I'm gonna insert a pic or two. Dang, I really don't want to take it down. Can we just leave the tree up all year round? That's normal, right? That's doable. That's not weird at all. You know what I'm saying? We got the flower, you know what I'm saying? And the trizzy. Let me stop playing. Let me go ahead and take the tree down because I'm getting tired of this and I'm kind of hot and I want to get out these pants and I want to put on some basketball shorts and then I want to get a little hot meal. You know what I'm saying? And I want to drink a little bit of Crystal Light because the Kool-Aid is too much for your boy. But then we need to, yeah. All right, cool. Now tell me this wouldn't be an epic nipple clamp. Oh my goodness. Get to put the little alligator teeth on there. How? Bite down on it. You got a little design on your thing. You know what I'm saying? For your lady, for your guy. If y'all with it, if you like it, I love it. Uh-oh. You want to do some mistletoe, you know? Give me that kiss. If you would do, my apologies. That was for the ladies. This one right here, it's so cold, it still got the tag on it. Ooh, ooh, that thing smooth. I want to act a fool, so I'm about to be put in a bag. A donkey carrier, not just any bag. What do I look like? Somebody mean? Good, because I am mean. If nobody ever showed you how to flatten a tree back out, I'm gonna show you right now. You take that bad boy, stand over, squeeze it in. Squeeze it. Bend the bristles back in this place. Twist it to the side. Voila. Keep your legs real tight. This is a great workout also. I mean, look, nice and compacted. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't really feel like doing the rest of this. Now with this one, I'm gonna just do it myself. This is not that much limbs left. Now for most of the rest of this, I'm just gonna put these in a bag. I don't really care about this like that. I don't have the containers anymore either. Sad, sad day. The tree has now been deleted. Only fragments of it remain. Not putting the lights up because I might do something spectacular with those. I'm not for sure yet. Need to put those pillows into something, that pillow into something. And you know, it's all over with. That is just a little bit of paper. A little quick tip, if you ever want to do a candy themed tree, take some of this paper, shape it into a little spear or anything that looks like a candy wrapper, and voila, you got something magnificent. Let's go out there real quick, throw this in there, actually squeeze and cram this in there because this is going to be very not fun. And I'm not taking that bike out. I'm not moving it. I don't care. It's going in there right now. If you made it to this point in the video, you are the real MVP. Don't forget to hit the like button, slam the subscribe button also, and hit that bell icon so you can get all the notifications. Don't miss out on anything. And don't forget you can always follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Mixer at YXL the Man. That's where you can find me on all social media type things. And on Xbox Live, if you want to send me a message or hit me with a follow, you can get me on there at YXL King, all caps. But instead of an I, it is a 1. So with that being said, I picked this video specifically just for you. So enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.